Hello guys, welcome back with another video, and in this video I will be teaching you how to make an intro for your YouTube channel. So all you will need is obviously your iPad and your App Store, and let's go to our App Store first of all. So all you will need is to write intro maker. Then you'll see a bunch of others like intro maker, vlog video maker, but you will really need just the intro maker YT intro designer, which is on my right hand corner. So if you click on that, and yeah, I think this is good. It's got 4.3 ratings. I think this is good because I use this in my intros. So, okay, go ahead and press open. You'll see this script. So now you'll see all types of intros, whatever background. So like, if I wanted to add my end screen, these would be ones like this. And if I wanted this one, I would have pressed this download button. Now it's on 100%. Now we will just play it like this, and it will just show my end screen like how I want it to. And yeah, and if you wanted to add an intro, you can just find it whenever it says intro maker, press on that. So I'm going to do this one, which you guys have seen. So just download it and press on it. Then you just want to play it and see if you like it. Just like add maybe like your title, like if I wanted to write my channel's name. There we go. Like that. If I wanted to change the font, I can change it to this, for example. But maybe if you guys want like this one, that means you just have to buy it if your mom and dad allow you. Then after you've picked your font, press done. I would just do stay free. Then if you don't want this, I usually just cross this out, or sometimes just write like an extra letter, so then it can just go away. So I'm just gonna do that. You really don't need to do anything if you want to, it just depends. Now if you go back, are you sure you want to quit editing? If you want to save your editing, just press that tick and then it will always say so. I'll press no because I don't really need it right now. So let me do that right now. Okay, I'll just press yes. So guys, if you guys liked this video idea, comment down below and remember to subscribe, share and like to this video. And yeah, and I'll meet you in another video.